Carl Jean finds joy in exploring beaches and waterfalls, where she can swim and connect with nature as a way to unwind from life's challenges. A talented individual as she plays the guitar and the ukulele and even performs fire dancing. Passionate about promoting health and mental health awareness across Samar, she aspires to collaborate with organizations to reach remote areas, providing vital information and support for common and emerging illnesses. Believing health is wealth, she is committed to making a difference. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Carl Jean Tuniza Darangnan.
We'd like to request Mr. John Minas, the accredited partner for Samar Island. Congratulations! Once again, we have Miss Carl Jean Tuniza Darangnan.
Hi guys! Subscribe to Mac Jude's channel. Please subscribe to Mac Jude's channel. Subscribe to Mac Jude's channel. Subscribe to Mac Jude's channel.
Guys, please subscribe to Mac Jude's channel. Yan, subscribe kayo guys. Nahantay ko na lang.
Hello guys! Please subscribe to Mac Jude's channel. Please subscribe. Subscribe.
Mac Jude's channel, sana ipapatuloy mo yung mga vlog mo. Kaya more viewers and God bless you.
Hi guys, follow Summer Latest Sprite and Mac Jude TV. Thank you.